fourth experiment, acid rain. Before I tell you what acid rain is, I'm going to tell you about pH value. So water's pH value is 7. If the pH value of the solution is less than 7, it is acid. But if the pH value of the solution is more than 7, it is alkaline. Now when powerful gases like carbon dioxide and other impurities mix with the rain, it causes acid rain. Now let's move on to the experiment. First we have a jar of vinegar. This vinegar, we are using vinegar because it is less than 7.
Its pH value is.
Its pH is less than 7.
And therefore it is?
And therefore it is acid. And now we have one a jar of water that pH value is 7.
Okay.
Now we have items right here. I'm going to add one egg peel over here, one egg peel here. Now I will add one paper pin in each. Now I will add in leaves. Now I'll close in the caps and we are going to see this tomorrow. Thank you. Bye.
Zoha?
Hi, I'm back. Did you see the results of day 1, day 3 and day 5? As you can see, all the things in the water are almost the same. But look at the vinegar. The leaf is decayed and has turned black. Look at the egg shell. It's really soft and has turned black. And look at the paper pin. It is rusted. Now did you see the effects of acid rain in living and non-living things? Now the question is how to minimize acid rain. First, recycle. The second one is stop pollution, especially from cars and factories. I really enjoyed the experiments. Thank you, Ya Allah.